Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the composite paste in ICARUS. First of all, go to the tech tree, tier 4, and make sure you got the fabricator along with the electricity tool and some kind of a electric generator researched. Once you do, scroll a little bit further and go ahead and research the material processor and composite paste. Firstly, you'll need to craft the material processor, which requires some electronics. You want to craft all of them, 60, which is plenty, so this might take a while to do. But once you have it, press F to interact, and here you will see the recipe for composite paste, on which you will need some iron ore, silica ore, organic resin, and platinum ore, or gold ore. I'm going to be using the platinum ore, which is more convenient for me. I'll go ahead and craft it. Also, with the electricity tool, make sure it's connected to your grid, which provides at least 1,500 units of electricity. Once it's done crafting, you can just pick it up, and this is how you get composite paste in ICARUS. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.